Freshening up your bedroom can make the world of difference. Today I'm going to show you how to make this Hampton-style bedhead using quality timber. First thing to do is measure and cut all your timber. For the frame, I'm using 2 pine balustrade bottom rails because they've got this handy little lip. I'll cut them down to fit my queen bed. Then I'll cut the other pieces down to size and taper the 2 legs for added detail. Now I'm going to assemble the bedhead. I'm starting with my top and bottom pieces, and I'll glue and screw them into the first leg. I'm fitting in my tongue and groove panels. Glue and screw these to your frame pieces and add timber beading at the top and bottom to help keep the panels in place. I'll attach the second leg. You might need to trim the last panel so everything's aligned. Next I'll glue and screw on the top capping, centering it on the top of the frame. Now it's time to fill, sand and paint. We're using white for a fresh Hamptons look. And there you have it, an easy, stylish bedhead, one you can take pride you built yourself. Head into your local Mitre 10 for everything you need.